Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Benkei. Today, let's talk about classes because Python is object-oriented programming. So, the classes are very important in Python programming. Today, let's talk about some basic aspect for class. So, first, let me define class. Say car. Then I define some methods here. Say make, model, and year. Self dot make equal to make, self dot model equal to model, self dot year equal to year. And let me define another method called print car information. Say print out, say self dot make, self dot model, self dot year. So then let me write, say my car equal to car, say Toyota Corolla, say 2050. Let's run the program to see if we have any issues here. Okay, my car dot print. Okay, there you go. Okay, very good. Here I defined a very simple class called a car. So there are a few key points I want to touch base here. First, in Python class, we start with the keyword class here. This is reserved keywords by car. Then my class name is called a car, but I can change it to other names, whatever name I want. So then after this, we define the functions or the methods for this class. My first method is called init, but we have two underscore both before and after the init. So this means this is similar to the constructor in C or C++. It is used to initialize. It's short for initialize. Initialize an object. Like for example, in this case, is a car. Because this init method will be called or implemented firstly once this car object is allocated in the programming. So another very important thing is called a self. The self means itself. It means the instance of the object itself. It's similar to the this in C or in C++. In C++, I think, yeah. So, and then I define another function called print car information, but I also need to pass in this self. This means the class itself. Then I can basically the self here is like a messenger or interface between the class itself and outside argument. So then I can access the information for this class called self.make, self.model, and self.year. Okay, that's basically the basic format for the class. Then after I finish my define the class, I can instantiate this class. So say car, I pass some argument. This argument is from the initialize method. Then I got my, say, I got this instance called my car. Then I can use this instance called my car to access other methods, like say print the car information. So let me run it. As you can see that it print the car information Toyota Corolla 2050, right? So that's all I have for the basic of the class in Python programming.